A mate is a way to constrain geometry, attaching one thing in the work cell to another with a fixed transform, which is a set of translation and rotation values that describes the relative position of two frames. Mates are used to attach robots and objects to frames. A mate has a parent frame, a child frame, and an offset in terms of position and rotation. And when mated, the object is no longer movable, except for prismatic and revolute joints. If the position or rotation is off, you can use the up-down icon to flip the robot 180 degrees about X or Y, or the rotate icon to snap the robot 90 degrees about Z before confirming the mate. The goal when modeling a work cell is to have all the parts mated. The name of an unmated object in the property tree is displayed in blue text. When mated, the text is black. Here are a few concepts about mates to keep in mind. A weak mate is when there is no fixed connection between an item and any object in the work cell. There is no parent-child relationship, and you can move the item freely in the 3D view. When you first add a robot or object to the scene, it will be weak mated. You then have the option of mating the item to a frame in the work cell. A mate is considered stateful when it has more than one state. For example, a descendant object whose position may change or that may or may not be present. When a descendant object is not present in the model of a work cell, the state is called suppressed. Consider a single robot with two types of grippers, one parallel, one pneumatic. The robot uses the grippers interchangeably, but only one gripper at a time. In this example, the model of the robot in the work cell could have an active state and a suppressed state for each gripper. When the pneumatic gripper is active, the parallel gripper would be in a suppressed state, and when the parallel gripper is active, the pneumatic gripper would be in a suppressed state.